Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the input audio device for Microsoft Surface X Pro. And to do this you'll need to open up the Start. Here go to the settings. Now find the system. Scroll down to locate the sound. On the bottom you should see the input, and now you can use different devices for your input by selecting them. But in this case I have only one, so I can't show you exactly how to change it, but you will be able to see another device, let's say down from this one, and simply click on it and set as default. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.